Hey, this is Brandon from Sweater Cat Designs, and in this video, we're going to learn how to use the new Set Subtraction Frames feature in Inkscape 1.2 to wrap text around a shape. The Set Subtraction Frames feature is located in the text menu, and we can't actually use it on a normal text object. Instead, we have to use it in combination with the Flow into Frame feature here. To use Flow into Frame, we first create a shape and a text object. Let's zoom in some by holding Ctrl and scrolling up the mouse wheel. And I'm going to copy and paste this text a few times. Now we can select the text object and the shape, then go to Text, Flow into Frame. What this does is it uses the shape as a frame for the text, so the text always stays within the shape. If we resize the shape, the text will flow accordingly. The text will also move with the shape. Now if we want to use a large amount of placeholder text, we can do so with the Lorem ipsum extension, located under Extensions, Text. For this, if we have a shape selected, we can open the Lorem ipsum extension dialog, and if we check Live Preview here, we can see that this flows the text within the selected shape. In this dialog, we can set things like the number of paragraphs we want and the number of sentences per paragraph. And when we're satisfied with what we have, we can click Apply and close out the dialog. And now we have a flow text object inside the shape. Alright, so to use Set Subtraction Frames to wrap text around a shape, we can create another shape, then select the shape and a flow text object, and go to Text, Set Subtraction Frames. And now when we move the shape onto the text will wrap around it. And we can resize the shape or rotate it, and the wrapping will update automatically. Also, if we switch to the Text tool and select the text object, with Flow Text we get this handle at the top right. We can use this to add some padding between the text and the frame. And if the text is being wrapped around an object, we also get a handle here we can use to add padding between the text and the object. We might get these weird lines here for some reason, but they go away if we switch to another tool. And we can actually wrap multiple text objects around the same shape. So we can create another shape here, and do the Lorem ipsum extension. And this time we can actually just click Previous Extension here. Then select the text object and the shape that's being wrapped around by the other text object, and do Set Subtraction Frames. Now we can move the shape over here and raise it to the top with this button, and now both text objects are wrapping around it. Okay, that's how we can wrap text around a shape in Inkscape 1.2. Thank you for watching.